Hello, Leo, and welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. At this is an energy check reading para po sa may mga sun, moon, at rising na Leo. So, kung bago kayo, subscribe, like, and share. At gamit natin ngayon si Enchanted Map Oracle card. So this is for guidance purposes, ha? User free will wisely, Leo. So, ang card mo for energy check is Metamorphosis. Siguro ito lang yung take mo. You are at the right place at the right time. Hindi aksidente na kung nasaan ka ngayon. Where you are right now, yan yung talagang destination mo. That is where you are, right? Kumbaga, yan yung plan ng universe. Huwag kang mataranta na parang walang nangyayari. Huwag kang mataranta na parang, ba't hindi parang umuusad or wala akong development, wala akong movement? Okay lang yan. Kasi, kumbaga, ano ka sa process, sa bubuelta ka eh. So, parang ano lang yan, yung tipong pag yung nanay natin o yung magulang natin kapag namili tayo, minsan, ito ka muna, may titignan lang ako doon. Pag yun yung last instruction, listen. Kasi babalik naman yung magulang mo eh. Same thing with the universe. Meron siyang instruction, ang instruction niya sa'yo, stay. Kalma ka lang, diyan ka muna. Wait ka din, and once na dumating yung tamang timing, may kita mo that your patience, yung tinuturo sa universe, yung paghihintay mong yun, bam, dire-diretso agad yung growth. So, this is a moment na, parang kung nasa cocoon ka pa, and eventually, lalabas ka din to be the best version of yourself. So, I hope nakatulong yung reading. Those are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. So again, kung bago po kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And all the way from Baguio, you have a great day. Bye!